So this is Jack-in-the-pulpit. Has 3 leaves up on top, and usually when it grows, it just grows a stem, 3 leaves. But if it gains enough energy in its roots, it will form a flower. The flower is the Jack-in-the-pulpit. Here it is. Here's Jack. Jack is inside his pulpit. Beautiful inside. It can be yellow, white. In this case, it's a beautiful color right here. But this is undoubtedly a male plant, even though I can't see all of the, the pollen and so forth. But it's just because of its size. Female plants are much, much bigger. And this is what happens. This plant can actually change sexes. It'll grow huge, and once it has enough energy to grow so big, it'll actually have enough energy to produce female flowers that look like this, except much taller, instead of male flowers. And then after, especially if it's pollinated and it forms this little stalk, a little Roman candle-like little stalk of berries that are brightly colored, a red color, and if it does that, then usually it sucks so much energy out of it that it won't have enough energy to produce a flower next year, or if it does, it just produces a male flower. So it changes sexes all the time. Now this is protected. It's got certain chemical crystal. It's calcium oxalate, I believe. And so if an animal, and that's why deer and stuff don't like to eat it so much, if they do eat it, the calcium oxalate causes a chemical burn, and that's why it's protected that way. Now it's edible, believe it or not. Another name for it is Indian turnip. If you dry out the leaves and so forth, that seems to neutralize the calcium oxalate. And so it's a pretty neat little plant, but it's very well protected. It's one of our wildflowers. Jack-in-the-pulpit. Jack hiding inside his pulpit. A beautiful native wildflower, if in sort of a disguised sort of way. And here we have some very young ones that fell from a previous year's. This must have been a female plant at some point, dropped fruit, and it's grown around there. Now it's only growing male flowers because it's expended so much energy producing all these other ones. Jack-in-the-pulpit, Indian turnip, one of our native woodland wildflowers.